Hello everyone, I'm back here with my 3D printed pieces for X-transbots Monolith, or aka Menasor. So I got my final designs here. They are now printed in gray. So I'm going to again demonstrate how they're installed and what they actually do for the figure. So first thing, we're going to take this tab. We're going to insert it into the slot here, and then we're going to bring this panel up and engage the two protrusions and the hole here, and the two protrusions go into these receptacles and over the post. Like so. So then we bring this little panel and push that flush against the 3D printed piece. So we'll bring this one up, then we'll bring this side panel up, bring this down, we'll go ahead and push the front pieces down. And then we'll engage this tab and this tab over these areas on the panel, and then also engaging the factory tab back here. So we push that down, engage this, firmly push it down, and you can see the tabs are poking through the leg panel itself. And then we can bring this panel down and engage that over the factory tabs up here by the knee. So what this does, I'm going to bend the knee a bit. As you can see, this filler piece, it solidifies this lower end of the leg. And my goal was to try to prevent this leg from parallelogramming. And when you get the twist on the ankle, you can see there's very little movement here. So that's what I was trying to prevent, is trying to make this bottom end of the leg solid, so that when the ankle is rocking, it's just the ankle, it's not the lower portion of the leg. So then we're going to bend this foot back around, and then that right leg here is fully done. So now we'll move the figure over here, and then I'm going to open this up. And here is the left leg printed piece. So we have the same tab, this same tab, but now we have this cavity that fits this rectangular protrusion on the leg that gets press fit into here. So once again, we're going to engage this tab into the slot. We're going to bring this panel up, and we're going to engage the protrusion and engage the panel leg piece over the post. Like so. Then we'll take this panel and bring this up, making sure that this is 90 degrees. And then press fit this down into the cavity. And then it's engaged over this post, that is engaged into the cavity, and the factory tab back here is engaged, and the panel is in its original position. So then on the inside of the leg, we'll bring this, push this down, engage the factory tab up here by the knee, and there we go. So once again, it's trying to take the parallelogramming out of, the twist. When this ankle is twisting, the goal was to try to eliminate all the movement right here and keep it in the ankle and the foot. So then we can bring this straight. We'll bring the legs down, and then I will now stand the figure up. Okay, so now that the figure is standing, I guess what I'm going to try to demonstrate is if I hold the foot and twist the leg here, you can see that the twist or the movement is strictly in the connection between the purple foot and the side of the leg here, that the bottom of this area is not twisting, which aids in the stability of the figure. So even over here, again, if I'm twisting, it's moving here. It's not twisting all this, creating instability in the figure. So that was the goal here. So now I'm going to put the cars on, and then I'll pose the figure in different positions. Okay, so I have the cars on now, and it is stable. I mean, obviously it's still rocking on the feet themselves. Make sure the ankle rocker is angled at the right way. I mean, you can get an idea on what it's doing here. So it's just a shame that X-transbots made this type of connection here, where it's just this one little post into the foot, into the side of the leg, but we have to live with it. But as you can see, I mean, I can gently move this forward. We can angle the foot out. Maybe let's bring it forward a little more. Didn't want to do that. Pull the foot back out. I mean, it is what it is, I guess. You know, it's never going to be 100% perfect. You know, bring the arms forward here. So back down here to the legs. I mean, he's still kind of rocking a bit, but so that'll be it. I am going to be listing these filler pieces on eBay, and I will add a link into my YouTube video description. So we'll go from there. Thank you.